Welcome to TV24 and thank you for the support you've been offering this platform. And if it's your first time to be with us, we request you to subscribe to our YouTube channel and press the notification bell for you to be the first person to get the updates the moment we upload them. Things are starting to shift. Vitu zimeanza kubadilika. Kila siku inaposonga kwa siasa inakaa ni kama mwaka mzima. Wanasemanga a day of politics is equivalent to a year, a normal year. Yaani siku moja kuisha, vitu zinakuwa zinafanyikanga mingi za siasa. The moment you see people starting to shift from team A to team B, just to know that coalition realignments zimeanza. Na watu wameanza kukaribiana. Watu wameanza kuungana. Now this morning, the Linda Mwananchi team, led by one Edwin Sifuna, visited the Jubilee presidential candidate, Fred Matiang'i, in his office pale Karen. As you can see the photos, ninakuendelea kukupatia. They discussed, of course, about politics. And maybe, just maybe, the presidential flag bearer for the United Opposition, or Linda Mwananchi, or Jubilee. But another question comes. Kumekuwa na fununu kwamba Uhuru Kenyatta anafund Sifuna. The same pia fununu zinasema pia Uhuru Kenyatta anafund Matiang'i. And the two have just met. Nafikiria kitu na mimi nafikiria. Are you thinking what I'm thinking? Are you thinking what I'm thinking? Uhuru Kenyatta might be playing game with Gachagua. He wants to popularize the Fred Sifuna candidature while having the mountain on his side. How? The other day we saw the opinion polls indicating that the mountain prefer Matiang'i than Gachagua. It's a win. It's a win for Uhuru Kenyatta. It's a win for Matiang'i. And if we have a candidate of Matiang'i and Sifuna, just tell me what will happen. Uhuru Kenyatta will chip in, the mountain will vote the Matiang'i Sifuna candidature, while having the mountain in the government. That is also showing the Western is in the government. Politics is about games. It's about cards. How you play your cards. The way you play your cards will determine how you will end up. Siasa ni mchezo mchafu sana. So until then, we will know what Matiang'i and Sifuna discussed. Tutakuja kujua tu hapo mbele. Watatuanikia. From TV24, I am Mwenga Gideon.